Hey, my friend, I'm Subhas Yadav here, and I hope you're doing well. And today, in this lesson, we are going to give you full blueprint about how you can make your first 100K through affiliate marketing without spending any kind of money for ads. So, because today morning when I woke up and when I come in office and check in email, then my one customer, one student just send emails. Sir, I want to know what is the best business model and what is the best business system which allow me to make our first 100K per year without spending any ads because he said about in the marketplace, so a lot of people just talking about Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, but really any kind of method have which is really help me to make a lot of money. So I was thinking this is really good topic and I need to create a video for everyone because everyone searching a video on YouTube how to make money through affiliate marketing, and they're getting a millions of videos which is just talking about some fake news, some fake earning proof, and some random method and some ad method, like they're spending a lot of ads, after then they will getting result. But today I'm going to talk about everything clearly and I will give you full mindset and blueprint where you will understand, yes, I can do it this way. Okay, so firstly, this is based on Ministry of Freedom, so I hope you know about, because that is only method which is help you. So let's I have created a diagram for you where where I will explain everything. Okay, here you can see made 100K in 1 year through affiliate marketing business without of just a free without running any ads using MOF system. Okay, so how you can make, first of all, no technical skills required so a lot of people just think about they required a lot of technical skills, website designing, web application designing, and everything. But really, it is not required. So what you required, you required just mindset, okay, and your patience, your desire to getting a success in this field. So if you have just mindset about you need a lot of technical skills, it is completely wrong. You don't need any technical skills. Just you need only your mindset to building a business. Okay, no any experience required. So many people just say I need a lot of experience. My previous I don't have any affiliate marketing skills, but I don't have I did not do. But really, anyone who is starting online business, they don't have any previous skills who already success just in 2021. So if I'm talking about I was starting 2018, but that time I was not any experience. Still today I'm a successful affiliate marketer and vendors. Okay, so don't worry, you don't need any technical skills required. And it is completely beginner friendly method. So if you're going to learn everything from Ministry of Freedom, then it is completely beginner friendly. You don't need much technicals. Okay, so how you can make, first of all, you need to learn about affiliate marketing. It is really potential and required. And if you don't have any website, nothing, then I recommend to you can follow launch Jackie method. So if you're going to join Ministry of Freedom, then you will get week number 2, week number 3 and 4 about launch Jackie method. Basically you will learn about how you can do properly affiliate marketing. You don't need to a lot of uh, technical skills required. Okay, and after then the question is how you can make your first 100K. So that is very simple. You need to launch some courses. Okay, like here I'm going to give you just one website called manchai.com, where I'm also launching a lot of software and courses every single day. And just a minute, it will take a time for. So So I hope you've seen this website. Basically, it is a launching calendar where every vendors and new affiliate who learn how they can launch a product from this website, this training program, they will, after then they create their product and they listing on here. After then they will launch and they will make a lot of commission. So how you can launch, that is very easy. You need to join Ministry of Freedom, and there have hair launch Jackie method, launching and hair product launching and everything. Okay, and next step, what you need to do, and once you launch a mini course, just a mini course, then you will made 500 sell. Like 500 sell, your product cost is around just $50. Then you will make just for 500 sell, then you will make approximately $15,000 just one single month. And if you multiply 1500 into 12, then it is already cross over 100K. But you need to give some money for affiliate who promoting your product. So basically you don't need to run any ads. So how is possible? Because in this website, once you learn about everything, how you can launch your product, how you can launch everything, here you can see on here, create the perfect product and funnel, sales page and members area, VSL, OTO, support, JB page, autoresponder and JB page, recurring network, and everything. Once you learn, then you will listed on here. Then here thousands of affiliate every single day, they promoting every product. So and they will sending traffic to your affiliates, to your product, and once they will made sell, then you will also made a lot of commissions. So you don't need to spend any kind of money for ads. I have already explained this method is completely free, ad free method, so you don't need to spend. Okay, so this is just mini examples, but you will make a lot money. People making approximately 50K just for per launch. Okay, and a launch with partner. If you don't have idea about how you can create a product, no worry. You will learn everything on here how you can create a product, and you will get approximately 500 done for your product ideas inside Ministry of Freedom. And second thing is that launch with partner. If someone want to launch with you, then you can see maybe sometimes two people launching products. So if you can manage JB and everything. Okay, and traffic and after then how you can launch software, because software is much most profitable than this kind of info product. Okay, so here I'm just going to talk about just say liquid and affiliate boss and the secret traffics. You can see this is a previous product who launches. Okay, and what, so you can see just a minute. Anirudh, let's talk about this product. He is launched by my friend Anirudh. He is Indian. Okay, Anirudh, and you can see two people launching product. So basically, a lot of thousands of affiliates sending traffic to your product, and once they will make a sale, then you will start making a lot of sales, and you will build. And the best part is that what type software you will launching on this to making your first 100K year. Okay, so that is very simple process. What you need to do, I have mapping for you. So you can launch Instagram related software, like how they can following up, how they can grow their followers, and traffic related software, marketing related software, financial related software, Facebook ad related software, Instagram and Google ad related software. So you will get a lot of massive ideas about how you can do everything. Okay, because Ministry of Freedom, one of the greatest and world number one training platform where you will learn everything. Okay, and good it, you can see how you can join Ministry of Freedom. Okay, and how you can learn everything step by step to make your first 100K year. If you serious, if you really serious to making your first 100K, then I highly recommend you will join Ministry of Freedom. And how you can join, simply click on the link description below. Okay, and first of all, before join, you can see Ministry of Freedom online. You can click on here and you can put your name and email ID on here. After then watch free training webinar. and then you can get joined. And it is required budget approximately for just $1,500. So you should have must, but you must have a budget. And then once you join, then what you get, okay, you will get private group where a lot of leaders who achieving their results, they will support you. They will share you secret how you can launch a product, and how you can make your first 100K. And after then you will get weekly mastermind class from Zono and others, gurus, others member who are helping everything. Okay. And you can build new friends and who help you to achieving your goals. So that is complete blueprint to making your first 100K. So go click on the link below, go to this link and you can join now. And if you want to directly buy, I have still provide if you already watched the Ministry of Freedom training program. And you should be, if you have any question regarding this, and if you have a budget but you have a lot of confusion, then I have already I have putting my WhatsApp number and WhatsApp link. So you should click and connect with me WhatsApp, and I personally explain you how you can how this software work, and how this business model work. And if you want to join, then how you can achieve your success within just 6 months. Okay. So but you need to have just $1,500 budget, no matter you are Indian, US, Canadian, any other person. Okay. If you serious, you have a mindset, you don't have any technical skills, then this business for you. Connect me on WhatsApp and I guide you. Call me. Okay. And I personally help you, but you must have a budget. So simply click on here, go to watch webinar. After then you can WhatsApp me, and before then you can WhatsApp me, and I personally guide you. So thanks for watching this business or this little videos, and I hope you understand. Still, you have any question? Comment below, and I will explain how you can build your 10,000 list without spending any kind of money. Okay. So thanks for watching. Meet you another great lesson. Thank you.